from the other person's point of view so that you can accomplish things that you can't do alone. Be great. Joe Hart, CEO. How to use this book. Across the world, from continent to continent, in classrooms and conference rooms, Dale Carnegie trainers spend countless hours sharing the timeless messages put forth by our founder, Dale Carnegie. Whether they are custom-designed training programs for Fortune 500 companies or classics that are open to the public, there's something timeless about the lessons Dale Carnegie taught. With each generation that discovers his message, the ideas adapt to meet the demands of an ever-changing world. Communicating effectively with people, motivating them to achieve, helping them discover their inner leader. These human relations concepts are as relevant for us today as they were when they were first developed. To apply them in our tumultuous world, we need a humble willingness to learn how to adapt the timeless truths to our current reality. Leadership is a human relations exercise more than anything else. Dale Carnegie's principles stand the test of time in helping people win friends and influence others, which is the very essence of what being a leader is all about. For example, while running a Dale Carnegie immersion seminar in Arizona, instructor Kim Ewers encountered a participant who was very uncomfortable with the course material. An IT whiz, Matt preferred technology to people and was surprised by the strong focus of the course on interacting with people. Kim spent some time with Matt, coaching him on the benefits of building strong relationships and how doing so would help him to foster communication with coworkers. Upon reflection, Matt realized that although he was more comfortable with technology, he could not get his job done without interacting with people. He recognized that having positive and productive relationships with people was critical to his success and happiness in general. The next day, Matt returned with a changed attitude and an open mind. He went on to receive accolades from his peers and awards in human relations and breakthrough from his instructors. Like most elegant truths, the ideas in this book are simple to understand. We don't need an MBA or to have been a leader for our whole career. They may be simple, but they require work and effort to apply and integrate into how we act on a daily basis. If we are willing to learn and continually practice the concepts found here, then we can become better leaders. Introduction. Blending performance needs with human needs. It was pitch black, and the sound of falling rocks could still be heard. It was every miner's nightmare. In a matter of minutes, that sound meant that the nightmare had become reality for 34 men trapped below the surface of the earth in Chile in 2010. Foreman Luis Urzua knew at that moment that the only way to keep himself and the other trapped miners alive was to rapidly develop a plan that would keep them safe until help could arrive, and provide realistic hope that they would survive despite the terrifying situation. Within moments of the collapse, Luis gathered the men together and began formulating. They developed a three-pronged strategy with three goals in mind. Keep the men healthy and alive, create order and structure while they waited, and work with the rescuers to give them the information they needed. He knew that he needed to oversee, protect, and balance the physical, emotional, and human needs of 34 people, potentially for months. To accomplish the physical goal of sustaining life, Luis implemented a strict food rationing system. Each person received 2 spoonfuls of tuna and half a glass of milk every other day. This kept them alive until the rescuers were able to pass food down through a small hole drilled into the earth. To create order and structure, Luis led the men to organize different living spaces underground. Using his skills as a topographer,